Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Shah Alam Sahal, and hereby I'd like to discuss a topic that is from the chapter Motion, and it is from the book of SSC Candidate 2025. I think it is very important, very informative for those students who are really in a lack of knowledge about motion and how to solve the question from this chapter. Let me just explain this mathematical problem. And firstly, we will try our best to read out the question. Then we will try our best to solve this question from the core situation of this chapter. First one, we'll have to read this question. Now, let me do it. Two vehicles started a competition taking respective velocities 4 meters in inverse 1 and 7 meters in inverse 1. You can obviously say excluding inverse 1, you can only denote it inverse. 4 meters in inverse and 7 meters in inverse. You have to say inverse 1. Their accelerations are respectively 0.5 meters in inverse 2 and 0.4 meters in inverse 2. If both of the vehicles reach at the end point, then how long were they in the competition? Now, let me write the solution. Firstly, you will need to know the formula, which are very important for solving these types of questions. There are four formula of motion which are very important for sorting out or arranging any mathematical problem. We will utilize only one formula for this mathematical problem. It is S equal to ut plus half of h squared. It is the formula that I will have to use for this question. You're noticing that we have two vehicles. We have two vehicles, then we'll have to set up an equation, and after that we can be able to solve or sort out this question. So we'll have to make an equation. And we have two vehicles, so we will let first one and second one. For the first one, for the first vehicle we can write is equal to u1t plus half of a1t squared. a1t squared. This is the formula that we'll have to denote it. And for the second, for the first vehicle, and it's for the second vehicle, is equal to u2t plus half of a2t squared. You're noticing that we did not denote S1 or S2, T1 or T2. Why? What the problem and what's the reason behind it? Yes, because when you are noticing that, then how long were they in the competition? I mean, they are asking for the time of their spreading time in the competition. I mean, they want time. They want time what they spent in the competition. So that is why we can't denote T1 or T2 because time is started and fixed for this question. And the second one is H. Why I didn't denote it that as S1 or S2? Because if both of the vehicle reach at the end point, because they have reached at the end point, I mean their position are same. That is why I can write. You are noticing that h equal to u1t plus half of a1t squared, h equal to u2t plus half of a2t squared. So is and is both have the same value. That is why we can write u1t plus half of a1t squared equal to u2 plus half of a2t squared. Now we will just interchange both sides. So we can write u1t minus u2t equal to half of a2t squared minus half of a1t squared. You can write and you can take as common t u1 minus u2, and here also t1 squared half of A2 minus A1. If you count T, then you will get T equal to 2 is in the position of division, then it will be in multiplication. Then you can write 2 into U1 minus U2 and then A2 minus A1. Now let me write all those values from questions. U1 equal to 4 beta second inverse 1, U2 equal to 7 beta second inverse 1, and A1 equal to 0.5 beta second inverse 2, and A2 equal to 0.4 meter second inverse 2. If you place those values in the formula, then you will get 4 minus 7 and 0.4 minus 0.5. That's why you can write minus, if you subtract 4 from 7, then you will get 2 into 3. And if you subtract again, then you will get minus 0.1. Then it will be 6 by 0.1, then it will be 60 seconds. This is the answer. I think that all of you will understand it in your own academics, and I think it will help you in a meaningful way. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you and gratitude to you.